Hey everyone, I'm Carrie and I'm the team lead of the product training here at WellnessLiving. In this specific training tutorial, we will be reviewing the software redesign of the appointments, classes, and events setup page as a staff member. So here I am logged in as a staff member and I'm under the setup section, and currently I'm on the classes setup screen. Keeping in mind that this specific user interface improvement is applicable to the appointments, classes, and events page. So over here, I'm currently on the tile view. So right off the bat, you'll see the differences in the user interface on how it looks from the previous design. We can see the color that we assigned to the class on the left, along with the session name, number of scheduled sessions, number of purchase options that can be used to pay for this specific class. And underneath that, if there is the description, you'll be able to see parts of it. And obviously, if it extends the character count on this specific preview page, if you hover over that, you'll be able to see the rest of that description. Furthermore, we can go ahead and take a look at the list view from here. And we can also see the improved user interface is a lot cleaner. We are able to see things a little bit more easier to navigate throughout the screen. So we can see the class name, the description. Again, if we hover over it, we'll see the rest of that description. Client's online booking enabled or not, the scheduled sessions that we have for that specific class, purchase options applicable, and then the action that we can take. And previously, like I mentioned, this is applicable for appointments as well. So if I just switch on over to the appointment screen, we can see it in the tile view, and then list view, and then obviously on the events page as well. And again, this is useful because it's just a lot cleaner and easier for our users like yourselves to navigate through the system while you're going through your setup, and it's just a lot more physically pleasing to the eyes. And that is it for this specific improvement for the user interface redesign for the appointments, classes, and events page.